This video is sponsored by MoMA, New Museum of Modern Art. So, you see guys, I was back into the MoMA, Museum of Modern Art. Here's where I drew this. Here's the Roman up the walls, there's the stairs. Drew a gate. Here's on the back here. This is the water bed, where it goes in the bedroom. You know where you can guess this pattern. Then I drew a chair. There's a couple of circles and dots, like I say in the pop-out comic book. When mixed together, that goes with the, as it drips over, has with the oil pastel painting. With the season, with the spring, summer, we also have here autumn and winter, probably like fall, autumn. But the longest paper has be wide. That goes to then the bulletin cardboard. I can draw any places I want, but it's up to me what I'm going to use it for. I'm going to start with the Roman one. Now, I drew the Roman walls that I just copied those.
That's a good question.
Then I'm gonna the gate in here. Here's the gate. That it should look like this one. I like to draw the olive leaves. And the back ones. Oh, I forgot this one. Here's the olive leaves. Okay, what else we got? I think I'm gonna draw with the ovals and the stripes. Here it is. Is right over here.
Are you gonna draw a bigger?
So the next one, I'm going to show. Here's what the next drawing. I like to change the next color. You can change whatever you want. It doesn't matter.
You mean the guy last time?
No. I'm
gonna go with inside with this.
I meant by the woman who used to work here.
Oh, I don't know. I think he said
with
that
the circles and ovals
You know what happened?
that we just saw inside of the pop-out comic book. And I also forgot the autumn leaves.
Right.
Here's the autumn leaves at the fall season. So I'm going to set this aside. Here's the next paper. I'm going to do for the extra black. So, are you sure it's all together?
I think yes. I suggest that you try to combine all of this here. So, you can start with the pencil. And then you can move on to this to highlight some parts, and then it'll give you more color.
So it says to combine all those together. That's what he says. That goes into this one. I'm gonna try.
So, you have oil pastels, and these are art sticks, which are basically color pencils. You can use those.
Okay. Which is optional. I'm gonna go
pastels, and we start like
do the same as this. All right, that looks just perfect. Combine all those together. We got the stairs, we got the gates, we got the Roman, autumn leaves, bedrooms, everything together. And we just move this aside. And then we're going to color in. We're going to use with the art details using with the pastel chalks and oil pastel, and then we're going to color all together. And I'm almost done. Let me just go
Are you
with...
filming the whole thing?
Yes.
Can I ask why?
What is it?
Why do you film it?
I was doing for the recording that I'm going then face my camera to draw.
Do you do something with it later?
Of course. And
How about you? Are you done, Daniel? Can I see?
and there you go. So, what do you think?
How about you add some color here? No?
Isn't that great?
Okay.
You can see all those details of colors, and it goes right adds to that. And I was going to tell you, after I'm done with this collages, I'm going
And then we went
to
and
see for the rest of the people what they got for me. So let's start
But they didn't have it filming when
with this one.
somebody stays out there.
So she drew the Roman of the Rome with the, it came from the Greek.
No filming.
Also got the tree, it comes with the green leaves, also got with the rocks, and the dogs over here that walks all the way to the Roman, followed by with the trees, with the rocks. And let's check with friends. And he drew the clock, he drew the lamp, chairs.
I'm doing this is a daycare center.
A daycare center that he calls it. Learn to think, read, and write. Educate your mind and smile.
Right.
And then let's check with Masaki one.
I just saw an empty room.
Here's the clock, here's the sun, here's the grass, here's the ocean.
And they do it.
And let's check with Kayla's doing.
So this is supposed to be a CIA interrogation room, and then this is like a trippy CIA interrogation room.
A CIA, a trepanation room. So let's check with the rest. And let's check what Abdul is doing. Wow, that would be a great one. As you can see, for the French tunnel, in the middle of the red spiders with the yellow blood on the, right in the middle. Here's the blue houses. Here's Alicia's, what she made. Gardens.
And a spa.
And a spa. It has with the
Blue water.
roses tunnels. Like when you went to the royal wedding. Let's check what Malika's doing.
That's cool.
All the places like jewelry, flowers, and grocery.
Very creative.
Also with the drawers.
She's really
And
creative.
here's something else.
This is the top of the rock.
On top of the rock, In Rockefeller Center,
Rockefeller Center. Yes, this is a tree, a Christmas tree.
a Christmas tree.
And what else do you have?
What else Ganache has?
Can you show?
Oh, yeah,
Show to
sure.
the camera.
Okay.
This is the fox or cat or dog.
Where you say for that?
This is the bird.
That's the bird.
Wow.
That we saw for the black and white. And we got
Well, you're a real artist.
oh, everything's good.
Picasso.
Yeah, he's good.
And it's
And that's you.
great to have you here. And look what everyone's doing here.
Wow, 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 gorgeous.
And looks
Wow, wow, gorgeous, pretty, pretty.
and mine's a eater.
Thank you very much.
Really great.
Do you want to keep it? You can keep it if you want.
So if you want to see more artworks,
Really pretty.
so if you want to see more artworks, let me know in the comments below, and then click the notification for the bell icon, share my videos, and then you want to give it a hit thumbs up for everyone.
Who did the Christmas tree?
And then make sure to subscribe to my channel, Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. And I hope you enjoy for the Museum of Modern Arts for the draw pictures and draw collages. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and by the way, if you'd like to see more MoMA drawings for a timeline, I'm going to put the link into the description box below at the end of this video. And I hope you guys will enjoy for those timeline draw pictures, and thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.